as a local manager for volunteering. This is the volunteer houses where they can stay. This is the main place. We have a 6 room. So in one room they can stay for 2 persons. In the other side also there is a kitchen where they can having breakfast and lunch and dinner. And also the next to the kitchen that is also the bathroom. The next option we have also in the greenhouse, Erna Place or Masno or Batu Kapal. But mostly this is the place we will use it for all the volunteering.
In here, and then everyone can save all of their waste to here. That's why we have waste management. The volunteer also can help what they can do in here, like washing the plastic and then separate the plastic between compost and the plastic. Like example, we will make eco brick. We will spend our time like outside from the trash bin, like a clean up, like check around the area where I have to be done, like maybe have some problem in the main road, like volunteer can join in with us. We have a machine, like the machine is 2 tons per day. Yeah, that's why we think how to get the plastic and how to make the plastic is clear in Bukit Lawang. There's a volunteer doing in here.
We have a to-do compost house here. When the volunteer join with us, they can help to how to making compost, and then we have 3 methods like a liquid compost, and then black soldier ply to helping us for making compost. Then they can join with me also make a seedling like this also, like organic farming, and then adoption of tree.
We welcome you volunteer to joining us as a campaign for environment and campaign of socialization also how to keep it clean the village. So then also we are pick up the compost material or rubbish material to make a compost, then process on Erna farm. So that is important for us and for the farmer in my village for make a farming. If you will come joining us on this program, so we will do together to socialization to the local people here how to keep it clean the environment. So by the rubbish, and because that's important for our young generation.
Kegiatan saya di sini mengikuti Project Wing, dan pekerjaan saya di sini mengurusi eco brick, membuat plastik ke botol untuk dijadikan bangunan. Dari botol kosong mengisi plastik ke botol kosong menjadi eco brick. Kami ajari mengisi botol ataupun memilih plastik bersih dan yang kotor, ataupun menyusun eco brick.
Want to learn medical plan to show our guests when they are coming here, like volunteer come to learn medical from the jungle, medical home, and then mix it, how to use the medical plan for stomach, for headache, and then for eyes. Also, this is the program. Volunteer come here, they can learn how many different species of medical plant from the jungle and home also. So and then mix to use them. Also we doing tracking medical plant later.
Hari-hari mengolah tanaman ya. Pekerjaan sehari-hari mengolah tanaman. Yang pertama-tama kita kerjakan mengaduk tanah, mencampur tanah dengan kompos. Kemudian kita isi ke keranjang. Nah yang namanya ada polybag, cuma sekarang sudah diganti jadi keranjang ya, supaya lebih aman, tidak pakai plastik ya. Kemudian kita siapkan benih. Benih tersebut kita tanam dengan rapi, dikasih pelindung seperti ini, kasih paranet ya, dikasih pelindung, dikasih plastik juga di dalamnya. Setelah tumbuh kita harus buka, dia harus kena matahari. Kena matahari. Setelah nanti dia sebulan kita lakukan penyambungan, grafting. Bagi yang harus disambung atau ada yang juga dioklasi.
Kami datang kemari dari Project Wing untuk turun ke lahan menanam bibit bayam sama bibit kangkung. Nanti datang volunteer kemari ke lahan untuk menanam benih bayam sama kangkung dan lain-lain.
Ya, kami butuh volunteer di sini untuk membantu kami membersihkan rumput-rumput atau mengoret rumput-rumput untuk memberi pupuk pada tanaman, atau mereka bisa menanam apa saja yang mereka mau di sini untuk menambah tanaman dari permaculture dari Project Wing ini.
We're here providing the kids to learn about the environment things. We learn also about some animals. We are teach them about how was important the environment for our next generations, for our life. And in here, you can also join us to share the experience that you have, to teach the children about the animals, about the environment, nature, and everything. And you can also teach them about some English lesson, which is we also have it in here. So if you want to join here, you can become a teacher and you can learn the new experience with the kids. Thank you.